everyone, welcome back to CTech Studios. My name is Evan. I'm part of the ambient lighting and controls teams based in Spokane. So while I was in town in Seattle, I decided to show you some great, amazing stuff that Green Creative has been up to. So let's get into it. Green Creative is more than a lamp manufacturer. They've got some great luminaires, and recently they came out with the NYX new construction downlight. This downlight provides all selectability and adaptability required for the new construction or retrofit purposes. The NYX comes in 3 sizes, 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch. Each of these options are integrated with SelectDrive, SelectKelvin, and DualDim. SelectDrive gives us the ability to change the lumen output, and depending on which size is needed for your project, this downlight starts at 700 lumens in the 4, 6, and 8-inch and gets up to 6,000 lumens in the 8-inch. It also comes with the ability to change the CCT in the field, going from 27K up to 5K. Another unique feature of the downlight is the DualDim driver. The DualDim driver technology allows the contractor to use either 0 to 10 volt or triac ELV dimming, all with the same driver. This housing is only 4 inches in depth, making this downlight perfect for shallow plenum applications. Speaking of selectability and adaptability, the features of the NYX does not end there. It comes with 90 CRI, it's wet location rated, IC rated, and airtight, and not to mention 18 different trims. The NYX is really the only downlight you need for your entire job. If you're ready to get these on your job or have any questions, please reach out to your local ambient or CTech salesperson and we'd be glad to help. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hey everybody, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video.